It was a night of pomp, music and dance as fans of Ramogi FM thronged the carnival grounds for Ramogi Night. Fans got to meet some of their favorite artists, including Dola Kabarry, Lady Maureen, and not forgetting Osogowinyo. The fans also got to enjoy some of their favorite Luo dishes, including Kwonoduma, Kwonbel, Omena, Aluru, and Gweno. But it would not be Ramogi Night without a few men and women of Nyadi, this time in the form of Ngomma fans. And the word of the night, Gini Wasekao, a true reflection of the fact that Ngomma are this year's Kenya Premier League champions. But the color extended to the t-shirts worn by the fans, reflecting the win. And this one that made fun of the now famous gubernatorial slap. And not forgetting that low sense of pride embodied on this t-shirt. Ramogi Night was hosted by Ramogi FM, one of the flagship vernacular radio stations under the Royal Media Services staple, broadcasting in the Luo. The event is part of efforts to celebrate culture and promote unity among Kenyans. Henry Gedaiga, Citizen Weekend.